Hey team, welcome back. Today we are reading Passage V, The Walk. The dog padded quietly behind his owner. They walked together in silence down the dimly lit path. The cold mist slowly swirled and rose around them. A twig snapped in the forest beside the winding footpath. They paused. A squirrel ran out in front of them and across the road, disappearing into the undergrowth. Without a sound, the two continued walking, enjoying the silence and companionship of their regular evening route. Questions. Where are the two characters? How is the path described in the passage? What is meant by the word padded as it is used in the text? Suggest a synonym for snapped as it is used in the text. Who does they in sentence 4 refer to? Had they walked this path before? How do you know that? Why didn't either dog or the person make a sound? Now let's check the answers. Where are the man and dog? The man and dog are on a path in a forest. How is the path described in the passage? The path is described as dimly lit. What is meant by the word padded as it is used in the text? Here, padded means to have walked softly. Suggest a synonym for snapped as it is used in the text. Here, snapped means broke. The twig broke. Who does they in sentence 4 refer to? It refers to the dog and its owner. Had they walked this path before? How do you know that? Yes, they had walked this path before because it was their regular route. Why didn't either the dog or the person make a sound? Well, we could say it was because they were enjoying the silence. Or we could say it was because they wanted to watch the squirrel. Thank you for your time. How did you go?